Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching IT JEE Mains and Advanced Math for the past 16 years. Taught math in India as well as abroad. Currently working as head of the maths department for Giraffe Learning. Before I start the session, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my classes, guys. And below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes on Unacademy platform and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Alright, and let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription, guys. These are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. Just a moment. Sorry guys, okay. These are the best plans for KCET 2021 aspirants. For 12 months it will cost you 12375. 12375, that is 1031 per month. Right, enter this referral code, you get 10% off. For 6 months it's 10125, that is 1688 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. And per month 2250. You get premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions, quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, daily practice paper, full-length mock, etc. with analysis. You get all this under single subscription, guys. Single subscription, unlimited access. This is a master's batch for KCET 2021 by the best educators in the country, guys, which is started on 15th of December. Alright, and then the best plans just now we discussed, guys. Okay, now we have done up to question number 29 in the previous session, guys. Okay, now this is the PYQs of definite integrals, and this is the fourth session of PYQs, guys. Good morning, Prakash. Yeah, up to here. We have to start from here, guys. Alright, now listen. I'm supposed to get the value of k, right? K times integral 0 to 1 x into f of 3x dx. Okay, that's equal to, I'm going to put 3x is equal to t. If I differentiate, you get 3 into dx is equal to dt, and dx is equal to dt by 3. Dx is equal to dt upon 3. Okay, let's call equation 1, guys. When x is equal to 0, t equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, t equal to 3. This is equal to k times integration of 0 to 3. Right, and from this I can write this as f of 3x is equal to t. Okay, and from equation 1, guys, from this equation I can write x is equal to t by 3. X is equal to t by 3. So this is t by 3 and dx is equal to dt by 3. Now I'm going to take k upon 9 common. Integration 0 to 3 and t into f of t dt. Alright, now watch out carefully, guys. Good morning, Prasoon. You compare this and this, guys. Okay, what is the value of t? Tell me. If you no the value of t. You compare this and this. From this I get k upon 9 is equal to 1. Yeah, k upon 9 is equal to 1. You cross multiply, you get k is equal to 9. That's what I'm supposed to find out. I'm supposed to find the value of k. K will be equal to 9. That's answer is option B. 2007 question, guys. Compare this with the given result. You get k upon 9 equal to 1. Cross multiply, you get k equal to 9 only. Let's move to the next question. Minus 2 to plus 2, ax cube plus bx plus c. Depends on what value of c. Okay, 2008 question, very good question. Okay, now listen. A is a constant I take out. Minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2 to plus 2 and then x cube dx. B is a constant I'm going to take out. Integration of minus 2 to plus 2 and then you get x into dx. Plus integration of minus 2 to plus 2. Minus 2 to plus 2 and then c into dx. Very good, Prasoon. Okay, minus a to plus a. Minus a to plus a f of x dx is equal to property number 5. Properties of definite integrals. This will be 0 if fx is odd. This is 0 if fx is odd. X cube is an odd function, guys. If x cube is an odd function, obviously this will be 0. This is 0. X is an odd function. This will be 0. Alright, integration of cx will be equal to integration of c out. Okay, c is a constant. Integration of dx is x between the limits minus 2 to plus 2. Upper limit minus of minus and minus is lower limit. That's equal to 4c. So it depends on c only. Value of c. Answer is option D. Is it not, guys? Okay, let's move to the next question. F of x is equal to minus 1 to plus mod minus 1 to x and mod t dt. For x positive, then what should be the value of fx? Okay, 2009 question. See, property number 3, a to b f of x dx can be written as a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. So a to b should be written as a to c and c to b. Now this can be written as fx is equal to, okay, integration of minus 1 to 0 modulus of t dt plus integration of 0 to x and modulus of t dt. Isn't it, guys? I'm just writing minus 1 to x is minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, 0 to x. And we know modulus of x is equal to x when x is positive. Okay, and then minus x when x is negative. So this fx is equal to integration of minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Between minus 1 and 0, modulus of t is minus t. Okay, and then between this is 0 to x, modulus of t will be equal to t into dt. It's given in the question here, x is positive. Right, it's already mentioned. Now let us integrate, guys. Fx is equal to minus, I'll keep as it is, integration of t is t square by 2. Between the limits minus 1 to 0. Integration of t is t square by 2. Between the limits 0 to x. Now fx is equal to minus half is a constant. Upper limit is 0. Lower limit is minus 1 the whole square. Okay, half is a constant out. Upper limit is x square and lower limit is 0. Alright, so that's equal to minus and minus is plus. This will be equal to half. Yes, Prakash Raj, very good. X square upon 2. So I'm going to take half out. It will be equal to 1 plus x square. Okay, answer is option 3, option C. Okay, let's move to the next question, guys. Okay, I taught you the shortcut last class. See, when you have suppose a to b f of x to the power of n divided by f of x to the power of n, and then f of a plus b minus x whole power n. there is lower limit plus upper limit minus x whole power n. Okay, and then dx. Answer will always be equal to b minus a by 2. 2009 question. Okay, now you compare this and this. It is same f of x power n form. I can write this as integration of 1 to 3 4 minus x whole power half divided by x to the power of half plus 4 minus x whole to the power of half. Okay, and then dx. Answer will be equal to b minus a by 2. 3 minus 1 by 2. So this is a minus b by 2. 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, answer will be equal to 1. Answer is b. Yes, half of b minus a by 2. Let's move to the next question, guys. Alright, 1 plus x square. I'm going to put x is equal to tan theta. X is equal to tan theta, then you get dx is equal to 6 square theta d theta. 6 square theta d theta. Okay, let's call equation 1. When x is equal to 0, you get 0 is equal to tan theta. So this is same as theta is equal to 0. And when x is equal to infinity, you get theta is equal to infinity is equal to tan theta. Okay, and then you get theta equal to pi by 2. So this becomes integration of 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, and then you get this log of tan theta. Log of tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. And dx will be equal to 6 square theta d theta. Okay, now this is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 log of tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square is 6 square. Okay, into this is 6 square theta d theta. This will cancel. Right? Yes. Right, guys, there are some standard results in definite which you need to remember. 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of tan x dx is same as 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of cot x dx is always equal to 0. So this fellow should be equal to 0. Okay, so this is equal to 0, guys. Answer will be equal to option C. Okay, and there are some other results as well. Which you need to remember. When you have suppose 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx. 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is same as 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx. Log of cos x dx, and that's equal to minus pi by 2 into log 2. Minus pi by 2 into log 2 or pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. That is same as pi by 2. Pi by 2 into log pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. Okay, and then when you have 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of sec x dx. Same as 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 log of cosec x dx. Log of cosec x dx is equal to plus pi by 2 into log 1 by 2, plus pi by 2 into log 2 or minus pi by 2 into log 1 by 2. Isn't it, guys? You need to remember these results. Alright, very important. Now let's move to the next question, guys. 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by 3 plus sin 2x. 2010 question. Okay, now listen. Now the question is, let me take the question here, 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x. 0 to pi by 4 sin x plus cos x divided by 3 plus sin 2x dx. Okay, now listen. Whenever you have sin x plus cos x in the numerator, then you put sin x minus cos x is equal to t. I repeat myself, guys. Whenever you have sin x plus cos x in the numerator, then you put sin x minus cos x is equal to t. And if you have sin x minus cos x in the numerator, then put sin x plus cos x is equal to t. Provided denominator should be a relation between sin and cos only. That is relation sin 2x or sin x cos x, something like that. Okay. So let's call this as equation 1. If I differentiation of sin x will be equal to cos x, and then differentiation of minus cos will be equal to plus sin. Okay, and then dx is equal to dt. Alright, I'm going to change the limits, guys. When x is equal to 0, you get t is equal to sin 0 minus cos 0. Sin 0 will be 0, cos 0 is 1. You will get t is equal to minus 1. And when x is equal to pi by 4, you get t is equal to sin pi by 4. Okay, minus cos pi by 4. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Okay, cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So t is equal to 0. So what's the new limit now? This becomes integration of minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0, numerator will be dt divided by 3 plus. Okay, I want sin 2x in terms of t, right? So I'm going to square this. What is t square, guys? T square is equal to sin x minus cos x the whole square. Sin minus cos the whole square is equal to, okay, a square plus b square is cos square x. A square plus b square minus 2ab is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so I get t square is equal to sin square plus cos square is 1. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Okay, and from this I can write this as sin 2x is equal to sin 2x is equal to 1 minus t square. So this sin 2x will be equal to 1 minus t square. Integration of minus 1 to 0 dt divided by, this can be written as 2 square minus t square. 2 square minus t square dt. Now this can be written, guys, this is of the form integration dx divided by a square minus x square. Okay, formula will be equal to 1 by 2a into log of a plus x divided by a minus x. Okay, and then plus c. So this can be written as 1 by 2a. Okay, 1 by 2 into 2 into log of a plus x, log of 2 plus t divided by 2 minus t between the limits minus 1 to 0. Alright, now let me finish here. Here, let me write here itself, sin 2x is equal to 1 minus t square. Okay, so I'll continue here. So this becomes 1 by 4. Okay, 1 upon 4. Now I can write this as log of, in place of t you put 0, you will get log 1. Minus, in place of t you put minus 1, you get 1 divided by 3. Log 1 to any base is 0. Okay, so that's equal to, presume you're missing minus sign. That's equal to, when you have suppose minus log 1 by x, that is same as log x. So this is equal to 1 upon 4, minus log 1 by 3 will be equal to log 3. That's the answer, guys. 1 by 4 log 3 is the answer. First option. 1 by 4 log 3, sorry. Last option number 3. Okay, 1 upon 4 log 3. That's answer is option 3 only. 2010 question. Alright, let's move to the next question, guys. Okay, now see, there's a standard result, guys. 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2. you have done this in NCERT. Okay, it's an NCERT exercise question only. Whenever you have 0 to 1, x into 1 minus x whole power n, for any value of n, okay, answer for this will be equal to 1 by n plus 1 into 1 by n plus 2. Is it not? You have done in NCERT, yes. 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power n dx will be equal to 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, you want to prove for this? Can be done. 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power n. Okay, there are two ways. Either you take 1 minus x whole power n is equal to t, or you can prove by the King's property. Okay, you take this as I, right? Call equation 1. I'm going to use the property using 0 to a f of x dx. 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, so this becomes I is equal to integration 0 to 1. Change x to upper limit minus x is 1 minus x. Okay, and change x to upper limit minus x is 1 minus x whole power n dx. I is equal to integration 0 to 1, 1 minus x. If you open the bracket, it is x to the power of n dx. Now if I multiply, I is equal to integration 0 to 1, x to the power of n dx minus integral 0 to 1, x to the power of n plus 1 dx. Is it not, guys? Now this can be written as I is equal to integration of x to the power of n is n plus 1 upon n plus 1 between the limit 0 to 1 minus x to the power of n plus 2 divided by n plus 2 between the limit 0 to 1. Upper limit minus lower limit is 1 by n plus 1. Again upper limit minus lower limit is 1 by n plus 2. You cross multiply, you get 1 divided by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Is it not? So you can use the same logic, guys. So what's the general result now? 1 upon n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this is 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. The value of n will be equal to 3 by 2. Now if I substitute here, you get 1 upon 3 by 2 plus 1 and 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 plus 2. So 1 upon 5 by 2 and 1 upon 7 by 2. You understand? It goes to numerator 4 upon 35. Answer will be equal to option D. You understand, guys? For any value of n, remember that result. That's an NCERT question only. 0 to 1 x into 1 minus x whole power n dx is 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Yes, 4 upon 35. Let's move to the next question, guys. Okay, now this can be written. There are many questions like this in NCERT where a to b should be written as a to b f of x dx should be written as a to c and c to b. Okay, I'm going to put x minus 1 equal to t. No, equate this to 0. You will get a root as, you put x minus 1 is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to 1. So 0 to 4 should be written as 0 to 1 mod of x minus 1 dx plus integration of 1 to 4 modulus of x minus 1 dx. Okay, now mod x is equal to x when x is positive. Mod x is x when x is positive, minus x when x is negative. Now between 0 and 1, you put any value 0.5, 0.1, 0.9, 0.95, 0.999, you put any value, guys. This will be negative. And between 1 and 4, you put any value, this will be positive. So if I use this logic, guys, between 0 and 1, this will be negative, right? So it will be minus of x minus 1. Okay, and then between 1 and 4, obviously this is positive. You get this as x minus 1 dx. Okay, integration of x is x square by 2. It will be x minus 1 the whole square by 2 between the limit 0 to 1. Again, integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, between the limits 1 to 4. So that's equal to minus 1 upon 2 Upper limit is 1 minus 1 is 0, lower limit is 0 minus 1 the whole square. Okay, and then plus 1 upon 2. Upper limit is 4 minus 1 the whole square is 9, lower limit is 0. So minus and minus is plus, you get 1 by 2 plus 9 by 2. Okay, that's equal to 5. Answer is option B. Isn't it, guys? Yeah, answer is option B only. Rasun Rai, answer B, na? Yes, guys, let's move to the next question. Right, 2012 question. IN is equal to, the question is IN is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 4. Okay, tan power nx dx. Alright, this is IN. I'm supposed to find out what is I10 plus I8. So this is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of 10 dx plus integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of 8x dx. So this becomes integration 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of tan x to the power of n plus tan x to the power of 8. Okay, and then dx. So this is 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, I am going to take tan power 8x common. If I take tan power 8x common, left out is tan square x plus 1. And then this is dx, isn't it, guys? So this is 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of 8x. Okay, and then this should be written as d of tan x. D of, let me write 1 plus tan square as 6 square x. Then I will write 1 plus tan square x is equal to 6 square x dx. See, either you put tan x is equal to t, guys, or you want to skip that step and do it directly. Anyways, we are writing entrance only, na? 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, this will be equal to so 0 to pi by 4. Okay, and then this is tan to the power of 8x. And 6 square x dx can be written as d of tan x. Yes, Prasoon, correct. So this is d of tan x. Okay, integration of x to the power of 8 dx will be equal to x to the power of 9 upon 9. So same logic, guys. This will be equal to tan x to the power of 9. This can be written as tan x to the power of 9 divided by 9 between the limits 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so this is 1 upon 9. Upper limit tan 45 1, lower limit is 0. Answer is 1 upon 9. Yes, answer 1 by 9. Answer is option A. Now both are same. Either you substitute tan x is equal to t or do it directly, you can get Prasoon. If you put tan x is equal to t, again you should change the limit and all drama will be there. Directly you can write d of tan x and integrate with respect to tan only. Right? Are you convinced? You can directly integrate with respect to tan. Tan with respect to tan is tan power 9 divided by 9. This is okay, Rasoon? Alright, guys, let's move to the next question. Okay, just now I taught you guys. We have done this. Limit is a to b. Okay, f of x to the power of n. Again, this is f of x to the power of n. And plus f of pi by 2 minus x whole power n. F of pi by 2 minus 6 whole power n. Answer will always be equal to b minus a by 2. So this answer will be equal to pi by 3 minus pi by 6 divided by 2. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 is pi by 6 divided by 2. B minus a by 2. That's equal to pi by 12. Answer pi upon 12. Answer is option C. Isn't it, guys? Okay, let's make it one more. See, I'm going to take I1 is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x dx. Okay, let's call equation 1. I'm going to use the property 0 to a f of x dx, okay, is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So I'll change x to upper limit minus x. This is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 minus x into sine of pi by 2 minus x. Sine pi by 2 minus x dx. Okay, now this becomes I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay, pi by 2 minus x, and sine of pi by 2 minus x will be equal to cos x dx. Okay, now I1 is equal to pi by 2 is a constant, integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2, and then you get cos x, is it not? Minus integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 x into cos x dx. Now it's already given in the question, guys. It's already mentioned in the question. So this is same as I2. Okay, now if I shift on the left side, you will get this as I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 is equal to pi by 2 times integration of cos is sine between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Okay, now this is equal to pi by 2, upper limit sine 91, lower limit is 0. Answer will be equal to pi by 2. I1 plus I2 is equal to pi by 2. Yes, answer is option D. So thanks for joining me, guys. Please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes, guys. And below, I repeat myself once again, below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform, guys, which I do in detail. Okay, do join my plus classes, which I do all the chapters, all the entire 11th and 12th portion in detail, covering from CET question and common key questions from 2004 to 2020. And you have every fourth class is doubt solving session as well, where a student can come with all the doubts as well. So thanks for joining me, guys. Please like and watch. Please watch, like and share my video, guys. Alright, thanks for joining. So I'll meet you guys on 26th of this month at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. And we will continue with question number 41. So I'm done with all the CET questions. There's one more question, then a couple of questions after that from question number 43. I'm going to discuss common key questions. Thanks for joining me, guys. God bless you. Bye.